Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are going to do the part 2 of the slick look. I'm going to use my Cantu styling gel again, and I'm also going to add on with the Gorilla Snot gel. I think I got the red. I should have gotten the yellow because that's the strongest, but here we are. So my hair is kind of like really dirty and we don't want to wash it, so we'll do the slick look. And I also got a ponytail. So anywho, so I was looking for ultra, right? And I didn't get ultra. I mean the color I was looking for, and I didn't want to like be going around shops to find this particular color. So I decided to look for Afro twist. I didn't get Afro twist this color. Like it should be around my area, but I just checked one store and I wasn't ready to go like and look for it. So basically this is what I'm stuck with. And then I got Kinky, Darling Kinky, this color. So we are going to start the slicking. Okay, so you know how this goes. First I spritz my water on my hair to dampen it, then I slap the gel on it. So we slap the gel on it. So basically that's it. Like you guys know the drill. And this is just as it is, if you have to say. So I'll use my detangling brush to just brush it. You can use a smoothing brush, a Bristol brush, any brush that you have to smoothen that gel on the hair. If I hold it into a pony temporarily, I put it into a pony. Then yeah, let's do the side and be looking like some cartoon character. I don't know. So again, water, gel, smooth. Let's say water, gel, smooth. Again, water, gel, smooth. Come on, water, gel, smooth. So I'm kind of like basically done because that's the last section. I'm going to smooth my water. Spray my water. Okay. Now I'm going to smooth my gel. I'm going to brush it down. Then I'm going to take some of the Gorilla Snot and slap it on top because we know how the what are we using? Cantu styling gel worked the last time. So let's see how this one goes. Okay, let's see how it goes. Now taking the Gorilla Snot. Looking at the consistency, it doesn't look that cute. Like it's a little bit watery. So next time I'm definitely going to get the yellow one and we are going to try this again. So there's going to definitely be a part 3 where I will definitely do a braided pony. Yes, with either ultra or Afro twist. So I'm just going to slap that on, and today I'm definitely looking like a potato. Yo, I'm not an egg today, I'm a potato head. Anywho, I'm going to slap my scarf on, and after I put my scarf on, the footage after that I lost all. I'm so sorry, but here's how it came out. See the pictures. So I used the Kinky. I had to do a bun. You know how short the 8-inch Kinky is? I legit put that into a braid and I was like, yo, this might fall apart soon. So we did a bun. And it's okay, the color is a little lighter than my hair color. I might be re-dyeing my hair soon, so if you're not subscribed, subscribe because more content is coming your way. Bye.